What's going on, guys? Today I wanted to demo this custom MagSafe charger that I built. This sits basically on a wall plate where you would have a wall switch. And so essentially this wall plate here had 4 light switches. However, the 2 were never really used in my case. And so I thought it'd be really cool to 3D print this mount that basically mimics these 2 wall plates and then put a MagSafe charger right in there and then hardwire it into the wall. So this is really cool because this is basically at the entryway to my house. And so you come in the house, you walk up the stairs, and then you can throw your AirPods on there if you wanted. But you could also put any Apple device that supports MagSafe, even a tablet on here. However, a tablet probably would block the light switches, but you can see it's really seamless and integrated into the light switch. And I think it just looks super cool. So again, this part was 3D printed. This was a 4-gang wall plate switch. I cut out the center, which you can see a little bit of, but it's really not that bad. You can't really tell if you're not close up to it. I'm gonna pull the wall plate off the wall so you can kind of see what it looks like. There is the Apple MagSafe charger, and then it plugs right in. Inside, there's an AC to USB-C converter. So the wall plate just snaps right into place. You can see it's perfect. Got all the edges perfect around the wall plate as well. And then again, you just come in, plop your AirPods on there, and it's charging. And then also you can take an iPhone, and it's got that magnetic MagSafe. And it's charging. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll leave links down below for more items on the project, files, as well as any items and tools that were necessary to make it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for tech videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.